BK-s Esplanade Motor Lodge. 5 stars. Free Wi-Fi and free parking are on offer at this motel, located opposite Wellington Harbor. All rooms include satellite TV and cooking facilities. Facilities include a fitness center and guest laundry. BK-s Esplanade Motor Lodge Petone is a 5-minute drive from downtown Lower Hutt. It is a 10-minute drive to Westpac Stadium and a 15-minute drive from the Interislander Ferry terminal. Extremely friendly and welcoming staff, the room was spacious and super clean. Enjoy the daily room service, and having a kitchenette is very handy. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. It was a good size room and bed. Staff were helpful, place was comfortable. I traveled with a family member but not under 18 years old. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press like and subscribe to our channel.